Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are making cotton sponge cake, so let's get right into it, guys. For this recipe you'll need cake flour, sugar, vanilla extract, milk, oil, egg yolks and egg whites. So let's get started. Over medium heat, add milk and oil in a medium saucepan and heat until the milk mixture has to steam and show small bubbles. Make sure the milk doesn't boil, guys. Then we're gonna transfer into a medium bowl and allow the milk mixture to cool slightly. Next, add cake flour to the milk mixture, then whisk together. Next, we are going to add in egg yolks, then mix well. Add eggs in 2 batches. Do not add all the eggs at the same time. Next, we are adding in vanilla extract. Whisk until well combined. Then set aside. Next, we are going to whip egg whites and sugar. Whisk until soft peaks forms. You need to pay attention when you whisk the meringue. Under-whisked meringue is unstable and it will cause the cake to collapse. On the contrary, over-whisked meringue will make the cake dance. Therefore, getting the right texture of the meringue is critical to the success of this cake, guys. Mix the meringue in the batter with a whisk. Adding in 3 batches. Then we are going to pour it into a prepared pan. Guys, make sure you do not grease your pan. Line your pan with a parchment paper. Do not use any oil, just the parchment paper. Use spatula to flatten the top. Then add water in the pan. Then we're gonna bake this at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour 5 minutes. Our cake is out of the oven. We're gonna do the toothpick test, and if it comes out clean, then our cake is done. Remove the parchment paper from the sides and allow it to cool completely. Once it has cooled, we are going to slice it into 8 pieces. This cake, guys, is so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe and to smash that like button. This delicate cake is very moist, smooth, bouncy, and has just enough sweetness with a fragrance of vanilla extract. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.